Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on How You Cooking Time, I'll be making a quick and simple pasta salad. So let's begin. For this recipe, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. A list will be in the description box. Guys, feel free to add your salt to your water. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the macaroni to the boiling water and let it boil for 9 to 12 minutes. It depends on how tender you want your macaroni. Right now I'm just swirling my macaronis to prevent them from sticking. My macaronis are nicely cooked, so now I'm going to drain and rinse them with cold water to prevent them from sticking together. I've added the macaroni to a bowl, so now we're ready to complete our salad. So the first thing I'm going to add is 3 spoons of mayonnaise. Combining everything properly. Right now I'm adding my mixed vegetables, then I'm going to combine them properly. I'm adding my corn, then I'm going to combine it as well. These are the last ingredients that I'm going to add to my pasta. So I'm going to add my carrots, sweet peppers and onions, and then I'm going to combine properly. So guys, everything is nicely combined. Now I am going to cover my pasta and place it in the refrigerator. Once it is cool, then we can serve and enjoy our pasta salad. Once again guys, I want to say a big thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.